Hey Robert, how are you? This is Jose Fernandez with NewJerseySEOPros.com. I just wanted to make this quick video as we promised you. We're going to send you out a video to share with you how you can outperform your competition on the internet. And really, I'm going to cover three things is how this whole thing works with getting more people to your website and eventually converting those people into um, paying customers, right? So really, the internet works in three different ways in order to get your page ranked organically in the SEO section of Google, the Google search results, right? So, number one is the content and the keywords that you are using on your website to attract people to your site. That's step number one. Step number two, or strategy number two, is really I'm not really covering in them in any particular order, but strategy number two is you need to have citations in the Google Map Pack section of Google Maps, and we're going to cover that briefly here as well. And lastly, we're going to be talking about backlinks. The internet is made up of links pointing back and forth to different websites and different pages all over the internet. That is the essence um, of the internet, right? So basically, what it is how many websites are referring back to yours, giving you guys an idea of how popular you are, right? So just wanted to go ahead and give you guys some information, some basic tips and tricks to help your page optimize to get more customers, right? So here we have your business page, and it looks great. It looks like you guys invested some good money into getting this page set up for you. The next thing that I would definitely recommend is to have a little bit more content related to your services that you provide here on the front page, so that when people are searching for some of these related issues, right, that you guys cover, divorce and child, right, employment law, business law, right, you want to different pick up a couple of these topics that you want to concentrate the most in and add them to your front page. Once you have them in your front page, just really put like a 200-300 word description and be able to go ahead and link back to your main page for these sites, right? The next thing that you want to optimize for is using, right, is go ahead and optimizing your images on your website, which you have sort of here, New Jersey lawyers. New Jersey lawyers, really what you want to do is really optimize this for a specific keyword that you want to target on your home page, right? So also here, I want to take a look at how your website looks on mobile. Your website does look pretty good on a mobile site, which is really important nowadays. Okay, so it's just not enough to have a website not anymore, right? Not like back in the day, but now you really need to start putting some effort into promoting your website on the internet, so that when people are searching for any kind of service related to your business, then they can go ahead and find you. And the way they do that, right, is by typing keywords. When people are looking for an attorney in their area, or depending on the case that they're looking for, they're going to type in some sort of keyword, some sort of words here in the search bar, and based on what they type, that's how Google is going to index your site and be able to display it on the search results page. And this is the search results page. It's really made up of three sections. The first section is what local ads and sponsored ads are made up for. Right? So the different industries have a section here, right, for more professional single entity individuals like attorneys. You can get sponsored ads directly up here on Google, right? That way you can go ahead and start ranking and start getting clients right away, right? And that's step number one. Step number two is you have the ads. Really, this is based on yourself personally and your business address, right? Depending where you are. Also, here is more ranked. The way this works with Google Ads is pay per click. You know, may or may not be familiar with it, but really what you're doing is paying for every time somebody goes ahead and clicks on a keyword that you want to bid. It's based on a bidding system. Okay, now this can get really expensive if you're not optimizing the keywords that you want to bid on. I definitely stay away from those keywords that people are paying anywhere between $40 and $50, right, per click, and really try to optimize for those organically, so that way you don't have to waste and spend all that kind of money, right? So that's step number one. Google sections, we can definitely help you be seen and help you find those specific keywords to complement your Google strategy. The next step is and you see here on the results page is Google Maps and citations, right? So you guys are already on here for the group, right? For the keyword divorce attorney in Old Bridge, New Jersey, right? So that's a very, very specific keyword that people can be typing in to find your information. And that is how Google works, right? So the goal is to have more of these keywords optimized in your site. So when people type them here, your website comes up. Very simple. And the way we do that is in the Google Maps section here is by adding your business name, phone number, and address in as many directories as we possibly can. So that way you guys can start getting more clients. Also, you want to go ahead and optimize and get more people to review your website on Google, because really Google wants to display the company that is the most trusted. So, but as long as you're here on the first section, depend on your area, I'm okay with that. I just definitely want to go ahead and start getting more reviews. And if you do expand and add more sections, you eventually want to cover more areas, you definitely want to be adding those to the Google Maps as well. Okay, the next section is the organic results page. Now on this organic results page is really where you kind of own an asset, because once you start doing the work to rank for specific keywords and your website is ranking, you can go ahead and now you own this space. It's yours, right? As long as you can maintain that first place status, right, then you can continue to reap the rewards of that, right? Okay, so what I did was I took over and added your information and also your competitor's information, which is Goldstein Law legal. He comes up in Albury when I typed in divorce attorney in New Jersey, right? So he's right here, Goldstein Law legal. We typed this information into, this is what their website looks like, right? But I'm not really going to cover their information. But what I do want to cover is what they're doing on the organic search engine results page, right? So the way that they're being found on the search results, right? Even though you are going ahead and showing up on the map section, your company is not being found here, right, on the organic search results. Okay, and really why this is important, because you're really going to be apt to, you might be asking yourself, well, why does it matter if you're being found here versus being found here, right? Because when you're being found here, you're really only limited to people that are searching for an attorney directly in Old Bridge, New Jersey, for this particular keyword, right? So now if we change this keyword to something else, right, you still come up. It's just a matter of time before there's less attorneys, right? This keywords, right? Attorney New Jersey, now you don't come up at all, right? So it really just comes down to the attorney, the search results page that people are looking for. And you really don't want to limit yourself to a specific area. I'm sure you want to cover more locations and get more customers in different parts of New Jersey, right? So once you do that, then you can go ahead and start ranking for those keywords, and that's how you be found on the search results page. So here for your website, you have about 98 organic keywords that are related in your website. And out of those keywords that you have on your website, you're getting about 30 people visiting your site. Okay. Now, the keywords that are getting you the most traffic here are the ones that are um, related to your name, domestic relations, and you can go ahead and take a look. We can go ahead and figure out which keywords people are typing in that's bringing you the most traffic, right? So your name is definitely bringing in the most results, right? So what we want to do is we want to change that and add and create more content based on other things, like what people are doing, are searching for related to your service, right? Like how to get a gag order on someone, right? So this here you're on page, you're position number 22, so you're probably on the third or fourth page of Google, which really means that most people are never going to find your website. Okay, so what you want to do is I went ahead and go ahead and wanted to show you the Goldstein Law Group stats, right? So they have about over 1,000 keywords that they're ranking for on Google, and that's bringing them over 186 people to their search results page. Now, they have a lot of keywords, but they don't have a lot of traffic. So that shows me that they're really not optimizing that good. They're putting a lot of content on their website, but it's not really optimized to get them the most results, right? So you can definitely overtake them on the search results page, right? If you start working and implementing some of the strategies that we're going to share with you, right? We're gonna narrow down those specific keywords that people are searching for in related to the services that you provide in different specific areas that you want to cover. So that way, when people type those locations and those keywords, you're going to be the first one to dominate. Okay, so that's content and keywords. Now you don't have to worry about creating any of this content or anything like that. We do have full staff content creators that can help you do that. The next step on the process is called backlinks, right? So now backlinks here, you have about 2,000, 2,500 backlinks, and your competitors have 43,000 backlinks. Now, what we're going to do here is go ahead and look at where your competitors are getting their backlinks. What a backlink is just really another website that's pointing back to theirs. And the more websites that point back to your website, the more popular Google sees your website to be, and that really determines your search results status, right? Your SEO status. So we want to go ahead and come in here, right? And figure out, see which websites they're using to get those backlinks from, and really we want to copy and duplicate that and add them to your website as well. Really, that's what it comes down to, right? Popularity and backlinking, and seeing what your competitors are doing, so that way we can do the same thing and improve on it. So um, Robert, I hope this video was was helpful to you and showed you guys some tips and tricks. There's only so much I can cover here in a few minutes. I know you're busy, but I just wanted to give you bring some stuff up to your attention. And if any of this sounds like something that you want to take to the next level and implement on your website, right? You can give me a call. The number to reach me is 973-384-1054. Again, my name is Jose Fernandez with New Jersey SEO Pros. My number is 973-384-1054. We are a local online digital marketing agency specializes here in New Jersey. For that, we help different businesses rank online to make more money. All right. So I'll talk to you later, Rob. Have a good day.